Here's a detailed, exam-ready explanation of cisplatin, expanding each section clearly but still organized for study. Number 1. Basic information, expanded. Generic name, cisplatin. Class, platinum coordination complex, alkylating-like agent. Brand names, platinol, platinol AQ. Form, only available as intravenous infusion. Nature, inorganic heavy metal compound containing platinum. Unlike classical alkylating agents, it does not alkylate DNA directly but produces a similar effect. Number 2, definition detailed. Cisplatin is a cytotoxic anti-cancer drug that works by binding to DNA and interfering with cell division, leading to death of rapidly dividing cancer cells. Number 3, mechanism of action, in depth. After entering the cell, 1 activation equation. Chloride ions are replaced by water inside the cell, drug becomes reactive. 2, DNA binding. Binds to guanine bases in DNA, forms intrastrand crosslinks, most common, interstrand crosslinks. 3, effects on cell. DNA helix distortion, inhibits DNA replication and RNA transcription, activates DNA damage response. 4, outcome, triggers apoptosis, programs cell death. Although cell cycle nonspecific, it is most effective in rapidly dividing cells S phase. Number 4, pharmacokinetics detailed. Absorption not orally active, given IV only. Distribution, widely distributed in body tissues. High concentration in kidneys, major toxicity site, liver, intestines, poor penetration into brain, limited CNS use. Protein binding, strong binding, 90%, contributing to long action. Metabolism, undergoes non-enzymatic conversion to active metabolites. Excretion, mainly via kidneys, glomerular filtration. Slow elimination, drug can remain in body for days. Number 5, uses, expanded. Cisplatin is a cornerstone drug in oncology. Testicular cancer, very high cure rates. Ovarian cancer, bladder cancer, lung cancer, NSCLC and SCLC, head and neck cancers, cervical cancer. Often used in combination therapy for better outcomes. Number 6, indications. Advanced or metastatic cancers, curative therapy, e.g. testicular cancer. Palliative therapy in advanced disease, radiosensitizer enhances radiation therapy. Number 7, contraindications, detailed. Avoid or use cautiously in severe renal dysfunction, major concern, pre-existing hearing loss, severe suppression, allergy to platinum compounds. Number 8, precautions, before starting therapy, check renal function, creatinine clearance, perform audiometry test, evaluate CBC, WBC, platelets, correct electrolyte imbalance. During treatment, maintain vigorous hydration, monitor urine output, avoid nephrotoxic drugs. Special caution, pregnancy, teratogenic, elderly, increased toxicity risk. Number 9, how to use clinical practice, administered as slow IV infusion, 6 to 8 hours sometimes, always combined with IV fluids, hydration therapy, antiemetics, e.g. ondansetron. Hydration reduces kidney damage by flushing the drug. Number 10, dosing information based on body surface area, BSA, typical, 50 to 100 milligrams per IV every 3 to 4 weeks. Fractionated dosing may be used, e.g. daily for 5 days. Dose adjustments, reduced dose in renal impairment, delayed if low blood counts. Missed dose, overdose. Missed dose, rare, hospital-controlled drug. Overdose effects, acute kidney failure, severe bone marrow suppression, hearing loss, electrolyte disturbances. Management, intensive hydration, supportive therapy, dialysis, limited benefit. Number 12, when to stop or avoid. Stop treatment if severe nephrotoxicity, persistent low blood counts, severe neuropathy, ototoxicity, hearing damage. 13, side effects, detailed classification. A, dose-limiting toxicity, nephrotoxicity, most important. B, common, severe nausea and vomiting, very high emitogenic potential, fatigue. C, serious, ototoxicity, irreversible hearing loss, myelosuppression, anemia, leukopenia, peripheral neuropathy, tingling, numbness. D, electrolyte imbalance, hypomagnesemia, hypokalemia, hypocalcemia. Number 14, vital key exam points. Cisplatin equals kidney plus ear toxicity, requires forced hydration plus diuresis, causes severe vomiting, most emetogenic drug. Highly effective in testicular cancer, curative. Number 15, drug interactions. Aminoglycosides, kidney and ear toxicity, loop diuretics, e.g. furosemide, ototoxicity. Other chemo drugs, additive toxicity. Phenytoin, decreased levels, loss of seizure control. Number 16, drug comparison, expanded insight, feature, cisplatin, carboplatin, oxaliplatin. Nephrotoxicity, very high, low, minimal, ototoxicity, high, moderate, low, neurotoxicity, moderate, mild, severe, cold sensitivity, major use, many cancers, ovarian, lung, colorectal. Carboplatin is often preferred when kidney toxicity is a concern. Number 17, patient teaching. Here is a detailed, patient-friendly explanation of patient teaching for cisplatin. Patient teaching for cisplatin. Number 1, hydration, very important. Drink plenty of fluids, 2 to 3 liters a day unless advised otherwise. You may receive IV fluids before and after treatment. This helps protect your kidneys from damage. Tell your doctor if you urinate less than usual, you have swelling or dark urine. Number 2, managing nausea and vomiting. Cisplatin causes severe nausea and vomiting. Always take prescribed anti-nausea medicines on time. Eat small, frequent meals instead of large meals. Avoid oily or spicy foods. Monitor hearing, ear safety. Cisplatin can affect hearing, ototoxicity. Report immediately. Ringing in ears, tinnitus, hearing loss, difficulty hearing conversations. 4, prevent infection. This drug lowers immunity, low white blood cells. Practice. Frequent hand washing. Avoid crowded places. Stay away from sick people. Call doctor if fever, sore throat, signs of infection. Number 5, watch for nerve problems. Report symptoms like tingling or numbness in hands, feet, burning sensation, difficulty walking. 6, kidney protection. Avoid over-the-counter painkillers like NSAIDs unless approved, other kidney harmful drugs. Regular blood tests will be required. 7, nutrition advice. Eat a balanced diet rich in protein, fruits and vegetables. If appetite is poor, try soft foods, nutritional supplements. 8, reproductive safety. Do not become pregnant during treatment. Use effective contraception. Men and women should follow precautions. Avoid breastfeeding. 9, fatigue management. You may feel tired. Take adequate rest. Do light activity like walking if possible. Number 10, when to seek immediate medical help. Contact your doctor immediately if you notice reduced urine output, severe vomiting not controlled by medicine, hearing changes, fever or infection signs, severe weakness or bleeding. 11, follow-up care. Attend all scheduled appointments. Regular monitoring includes kidney function tests, blood counts, electrolytes, hearing tests. General advice: do not miss treatment sessions. Do not take any new medicines without consulting your doctor. Inform healthcare providers that you are on chemotherapy. Thank you. Have a nice day.